Alright, welcome back to the Analogue Archive. Today, I am going to show you how to put a battery in a LomoApparat. Now, it's pretty straightforward. On the bottom of the camera, there's a little battery cover. Use a coin. You want to turn it just a little bit counterclockwise. And what that'll do is it'll unlock the cover. And you see here with a little bit of a nudge, it falls out after I gave it a bit of a twist. Thing to keep in mind, don't turn it too hard, you'll break the door. So it doesn't take too much. Battery wise, you've got a simple AA battery. You want to point it with the pointy end facing out, or the positive end. And then you want to put the door back on. Now, I'll be honest, I had a little bit of trouble putting this back on. And that's because I didn't realize there was little grooves and little edge parts on the cover that meant to line up. So I thought I'd leave the struggle in to the video. So just in case you are trying to do this and you go, how do you get that so easy? I didn't get it that easy at all, as you can see. And so I thought I'd leave that in. So all you can see here is line up the grooves with the door itself properly. And then all I do is use the coin and I just turn it clockwise this time, just a little bit to lock it. And that's it. Nice and easy. Now, turn the camera on by either moving it to N or B. And you can see here the flashlight is on. There we go. Green light, and that is a good sign. That means the battery is installed and ready to go, and you're all good to take photos. Fabulous, right? Easy. Alrighty. That is the whole video. Thank you for coming, and I'll see you next time. Cheers. Bye.